Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming two essentials. TikTok is updated, and you have a stable connection. Open the app now and check the store for updates. Once updated, make sure you are logged into the correct account. Then go to Settings to clear the cache so temporary glitches won't block the Share UI. This first step resolves many common issues because outdated code or corrupted cache often hides buttons, so do this immediately before deeper troubleshooting. Once done with updates and cache, inspect permissions. You must allow contacts, storage, and any sharing-related permissions. On iOS or Android, open your device settings, locate TikTok, and toggle permissions on. Then return to the app and try sharing a small test clip to see if the button reappears. If the share menu shows but specific targets are missing, reauthorize individual services like Messages or Instagram. This resolves mismatch between app and to finish, if permissions and tests don't help, uninstall and reinstall TikTok to reset deeper app states, then restart your device and retry sharing. If the button remains absent, log out and back into your account. Sometimes server sync refresh fixes UI elements. One key troubleshooting tip: try a different network, such as switching from Wi-Fi to cellular. Network restrictions or captive portals often block sharing endpoints, so changing networks can immediately reveal whether it's local or app-side.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.